Perched high in the legendary bird streets of Doheny Estates, there's a mid-century inspired masterpiece. The architectural narrative begins in the main foyer. From there, the home unfolds into a sprawling, open-concept living space. Strategic clerestory windows add profound texture and natural light, while motorized Fleetwood pocket doors literally erase the boundaries between inside and out. And what an out it is! The living areas spill effortlessly onto a striking pavilion featuring a porcelain-tiled pool, spa, and a covered patio anchored by a modern fireplace. The lifestyle here is nothing short of extraordinary. Beyond the gourmet meal kitchen and a primary suite boasting dual baths, you'll find 3 guest suites that enjoy private garden patios. Descend in the glass elevator and the home transitions into an entertainer's utopia. You are greeted by a temperature-controlled wine display, a home theater, and a 1,000-square-foot wellness spa, complete with a sauna, steam shower, and plunge pool, essentially a private boutique hotel right downstairs. Oh, and for the resident automotive enthusiast, the climate-controlled 8-car garage features its very own vehicle turnstile, because awkwardly backing out of a driveway is so last century. Fully automated and exquisitely curated, this Hollywood Hills retreat isn't just a dwelling, it's a beautifully orchestrated way of life.